Hello everybody. So I got a new tripod for doing these films that'll hopefully hold the camera a little steadier and overall be a little more positive to the stand I have right now. So this is a Victiv tripod. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack it and see what we're working with. Alright, so you basically have 6 pieces. You have the base and the main piece, the part that holds the phone, a little swivel base that goes on top, and then a flexible mount that goes on top here as well. The little camera you can Bluetooth to the phone, so you can start and stop recording, take pictures and whatnot. And then you have your carrying case. So to set it up with your base, there's the wheel right on top of the tripod that you can loosen, and then you can pull that down, and then you can tighten it back up, and that'll keep it nice and secure. And then there's the different quick releases here. So you hit one, it'll rise up, hit the next one, rise it up, so on and so forth. So at the top mount, there's a female end here that this screws into. But before I screw that into there, I'm going to mount it to this guy here. So there's a little screw on the bottom, and then on here there's a wheel just below the base that you can turn the little screw. So mount it up, line it up, and then you can tighten that in. And then over here, you can line it up and spin that on. Now this little base here does have a little screw that if you loosen, you can bend this to change your angles, and then just tighten it back up. And then here you can rotate the phone, and there's a knob on the back here that you just tighten. And then this does have a tension to it, so depending on your size of the phone, you just pull that out, put the phone in, it'll be good. So after that one, let's take this back off. Ability, you're not getting the right angle, you gotta warp it a little bit, you can use this flexible tube. So you spin this tube on, screw it into the top here, and then now you can bend it all around, get at whatever angle you need, and it just allows a little more flexibility depending on your situation that you got going on. I'm not going to go over how to Bluetooth the remote to your phone. If you're watching this, you probably know how to Bluetooth. Just follow those directions in there, and you'll be all set with that. So overall, kind of an easy setup and a new setup for me. We'll see how it all goes. I'm looking forward to trying it out. So I'm going to go ahead and get it unpacked and put it in my case, and then get it out the next time I need it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on this Victiv tripod, please reach out, leave comments below, hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.